welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to Cancun, we stayed at the Hard Rock All-Inclusive Resort. When we arrived, we headed straight to reception and were quickly checked in before being shown to our room. When we entered the room, you first see the bathroom with a large mirror and a double vanity. There was a couple of toiletries in the center. Just next to it was a wardrobe with a robe, slippers, iron, and a safe. The shower and toilet were in the same room, and there are a few additional toiletries as well. Now let's explore the rest of the room. There was a large bed in the center and a tea and coffee station. The room also had a jacuzzi in the center. We also had a fully stocked bar fridge. But the best part of the room was definitely the balcony, which faced the sea. We could stare at that blue water for hours. The hotel also had great entertainment schedule, which could easily keep us busy. Now it's time to check out the rest of the hotel. Throughout the hotel, there was a lot of celebrity memorabilia which we could admire. We also found a large central bar in the middle of the lobby area and a gift shop. There was definitely plenty of celebrity memorabilia and outfits throughout that we could look at. The pool area was quite large and there was lots of seating and space to swim. As it was so large, it never felt too crowded. We loved that the pool had 2 swim-up bars on either end. We decided to check out the main bar for a couple of pre-dinner drinks before we headed out to their Mexican buffet. I can confirm everything we ate was delicious. The next morning, we enjoyed a nice buffet breakfast. Then we checked out the gym. It was really great and had high quality equipment. After that, we headed to our hotel room to enjoy a coffee and the view before spending the rest of the morning by the pool. For lunch, we chose the Mexican buffet. Then it was back to the pool before dinner. We were going to the Italian restaurant on site for dinner. However, we had to wait until a table was free, so they provided us with a buzzer to let us know when it was ready. The next morning, we spent the day by the pool as it was our last day. And we loved the Mexican buffet for lunch yesterday, so we decided to have it again today. We were lucky enough to be staying at the Hard Rock while they had their famous weekly foam party. And I can confirm this was a lot of fun. We had dinner outside at a themed buffet before going to bed early as we had an early flight. Checkout was very quick. And we grabbed a coffee from their on-site cafe before getting into our taxi. We loved every minute of our stay at Hard Rock and we would definitely be back. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience staying at this all-inclusive resort. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.